So guys, today we are going to be taking a look at another product today, and today's product is a pair of DDR3 RAM sticks. The reason I chose to review RAM sticks is because with RAM prices going very high, is it reasonable to consider off-brand or unknown brand products? Well, today we are going to find out. Let's get to it. So inside the packaging, we have two sticks of TimeTec's 8GB DDR3 RAM, which is clocked at 1600 MHz, which is pretty good. Now this RAM stick does not come with any heatsink, but it will still function properly. Now we will take a look at how to uninstall your old RAM and install this new RAM. Let's get to it. So we will start off by unscrewing the screw holding the side panel of your computer case. Then we will have access to the inside internals of the PC. So taking a look at the RAM slot and how to uninstall it is that we push both clips on each side of the RAM slot to release the old RAM stick. You can just gently slide that out by pulling it up. Then you have successfully uninstalled a RAM stick. Then to insert or install a new RAM stick, what you will have to do is push your RAM stick evenly on both sides till you hear a click from each clip. If you do not hear a click from each clip, you can simply just push the clip in and it will be installed. All you have to do is to make sure that the RAM stick has been fully inserted into the slot. So taking a look at CPU-Z, we can see that we started off with 6GB of DDR3 RAM clocked at 1600 MHz before the new RAM installation, and after the RAM installation we have a confirmed amount of 16GB of DDR3 RAM clocked at 1600 MHz, which is just incredible. Now we will get on to my final thoughts and my overall opinion about this product. Let's get to it. So TimeTec's RAM performs just the same as any of the larger companies' RAM, such as G.Skill or Corsair. With a typical set of two sticks of 8GB DDR3 RAM clocked at 1600 MHz will cost somewhere around $130 to $150, while TimeTec's RAM costs a steady amount of $100. I say go for TimeTec's RAM because it is cheaper and provides the same benefits as the higher, more expensive RAM. I would give this product a good 10 out of 10. Link for this product will be in the description box below. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. And this is FarEastTech, and I'll see you guys later in a future review. Thanks for watching.